Hello everyone. How are you all? We all are doing well and we hope that you all are doing also very well. So, welcome to Rebel Spoken English Sevan. So, this podcast is specially designed for those who wants to improve their English, who wants to be a good English speaker and are planning to join our institute, Rebel Spoken English. So, many students and their parents visit us very often and ask similar questions again and again. So, we have decided to make a podcast for them. Like we made a podcast on very frequently asked questions. So here we are with another podcast series with my today's guest who will answer my questions and I will answer his questions. Meet Mr. Abhi Tiwari.
Hello.
So we are going to share some talks and we also answer your most frequently asked questions. So let's get started with our very first question. So, Mr. Abhi Tiwari,
Hello.
the first question is that what courses do we offer at Rebel Spoken
Yes.
English?
Basically, we provide three types of courses. First one is basic level. It is a 5 month. Its fee is 10,500. It is for those students who comes from government teaching school who don't have a deep knowledge of grammar, and when they speak, they make a lot of grammatical mistake. And second one is intermediate level. It is for those students who comes from CBSE board, but they still make grammar mistake and they don't have how to speak properly, confidently. And its duration is 3 months. Its fee is 6,000. And the third one is advanced level. It is for those students who comes from CBSE board who know well how to speak English, but they don't have a deep knowledge of grammar. They still make a minor mistake while they are speaking. So we provide these three types of courses.
Okay, Mr. Tiwari. So let's read the another question for our viewers.
So we are moving to the next question. So Mr. Sahil,
Yes, sir.
do you teach grammar from basic?
Okay. So look, it is the core idea and main motto of Rebel Spoken English, Sivan. Like we teach here from very scratch. Like our faculty, Mr. Akash sir, who is founder, Supremo, as well as director of the Rebel Spoken English, which stands proudly as Sastri Nagar Sivan. His main idea is to teach grammar only as a support, and also he teaches grammar from very friendly manner, and also he teaches grammar from totally scratch. His main idea is that even a child can understand what he is trying to teach and what he is trying to understand them. So yes, at Rebel Spoken English we understand and we know the pain of students, like where they lack in grammar, like their grammar is very weak, and we understand these things. So at Treble Spoken English we teach students from very basic, and our main concept is that students can understand easily the things the teacher is trying to teach.
So Mr. Sahil,
Yes, sir.
we are moving on next question.
Okay. So our third mostly asked question is that is this course, like the courses we provide at Treble, really helpful for interviews and for jobs?
Yes, sir. It's really very important.
Okay.
You must have seen many students completed their graduation, intermediate, post graduation. But many, if we talk about interview jobs, so there are many jobs interview are going on in English medium.
Yes, yes.
If you have a lot of knowledge related to your subject,
Yes.
it doesn't matter. But if you are not able to speak English, so how can you face an interview? So I think it's very important. It is a crucial thing for our life.
Okay. So we are moving to the next question, sir.
So Mr. Sahil,
Yes.
do you focus on speaking or only grammar?
So as your questions says that what we focus on, like on speaking or on grammar. So we teach from both types, like we teach theoretically and practically. But our main focus is like 80% we focus on practical things and 20% we give to the theoretical, because you have knowledge of grammar for as a support, and you have to understand the basic knowledge of grammar, and you have that type of knowledge for your better understanding. But we push forward our students to take parts in activities we provide them. Like the main thing which sets Rebel apart is our numerous types of activities. Like we provide outdoor activities, we take students to Chhapra tour and from various tours, so that they can speak English and learn English while the journey going on. And also we organize and we conduct cricket match without ball and bat. Okay, so we provide this types of activities so our students can learn both grammar and speaking English too. So yes,
Okay, we are moving to the next questions and
Yes, sir.
last questions.
yes, sir. So last but not least, the mostly asked question of students and their parents is that how do you teach a spoken English? Like how do we teach a spoken English at Rebel Spoken English? So, yes.
Yes. We focus, as Mr. Sahil said that, we focus grammar. But grammar is a support. Mr. Akash sir always say that grammar is a support. But our main target should be speaking.
Yes.
Yes, without speaking, what we will do with grammar? Well, there are no any use of grammar without speaking.
Yes.
So if we know about grammar, rules of grammar,
Yes.
structures for any grammar, so we to start our speaking and we don't focus on our mistakes because our mistakes should be a good friend.
Yes.
Our mistakes should be a good teacher.
Yes.
So we should focus on our mistake and we should correct it and we provide theoretically, practically because without practically no any use of knowledge, grammar and skills.
Yes.
If we learn something, we provide communication skill, personality development, body language, grooming, how to behave with elders and younger.
Yes.
So these all skills are very important to our daily life. If we don't use practically, so I think no use of any skill, grammar, knowledge, etc.
Yes, as
So-
our faculty, Mr. Akash sir,
Yes.
used to say that silence is not allowed. Mistake is allowed, but
Yes.
silence is not allowed. So you can completely talk in English, and it doesn't matter that you are mistaking or not. And also, at Rebel, we push forward our students to speak. Even though you are speaking wrongly or you have many mistakes in your English, but you have to speak. Like if you came on a stage and you just got silent and you won't speak anything, you have learned nothing. But if you came, you speak and it has some mistakes, then you have learned many things that where you are lacking, where you have to work on yourself. So yeah, and also one thing we I think left about, like at Rebel we provide soft skill trainer who's who is very and very encouraging, very supporting, Miss Siksha ma'am, who provides us soft skills training, who tells us about difference between persona and personality. You know the difference between persona and personality when you join our Rebel Spoken English, and also you learn many things. I repeat, many things, as many things you can grasp from Mr. Akash sir. So yes, Mr. Tiwari.
So this podcast is related to that questions which comes in students' mind, which can be asked and they don't want to come because they are from very far away.
Yes.
And those students who come from near, so they can easily come. But those students who come from far away,
Yes,
like
yes, yes.
if I talk about myself, so I come from Gopalganj. So this podcast is very helpful for those students, and by which you all can get information about Rebel. It is trusted, tested coaching in Tier Siwan and Gopalganj.
Yes.
So, Mr. Sahil,
Yes, so we both wish you all guys good luck
Yes.
about joining our Rebel Spoken English. So this is all from Rebel side. Thank you so much for listening.
keep
to all.
watching, keep learning, keep growing with Rebel.